National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Chesterfield County, Southwestern Cumberland County, Prince Edward County, North Central Lunenburg County, Nottoway County, Amelia County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guinea Mills to near Hampton Sydney College to near Abilene, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rice and Green Bay around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Burkeville around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Crew, Morven, and Jetersville around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Amelia Courthouse around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Nottoway around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Scotts Fork and Chula around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Rains Tavern, Prince Edward Station, Angola, Earls, Twin Lakes State Park, Winterham, Hawk, Kingsville, Maplewood, and Fergusonville. The